Always good to see a utility model dropping out there. Before I go into the detail of this S1 Mini and we test it out locally, let me try to explain what problem this model is trying to solve. Every dictation tool has the same dirty secret. When you talk, your speech to text writes down every or every time you change your mind mid sentence. What you get back is technically what you said, but nobody wants to read it. S1 Mini fixes that. It's a tiny model, just zero point 0.6 billion parameters with one job. Take that messy transcript and turn it into clean, readable text. That's it. Fillers vanish. When you say Friday, no, wait, make that Thursday, it just writes Thursday. That's it. It handles your numbers, your dates, your email addresses, and formats everything the way a human would actually type it. It's small enough to run on a laptop. It doesn't need the cloud, but it's accurate enough to trust. This is the invisible cleanup step that makes dictation feel like magic instead of a mess. In this video, we are going to install it and test it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I also have started this free weekly AI newsletter, which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. I will drop the link in first pinned comment too. So let me take you to my terminal where you can see I have Ubuntu. I have GPU card, but you can easily run this thing on a CPU. Let me install all the prerequisites, which are transformers and torch. I already have created this script and this script is available on their Hugging Face card, which you can find the link in video's description. I have just put in a Gradio demo on top of it. This downloads and then runs this model in a Gradio interface. So let me run that script and the model is being downloaded. Let's wait for it. And did I mention that this model is also fine-tuned of Quen 3.6 billion? Everything sprouts from Quen, seriously. Anyway, while the model gets downloaded, let me explain a bit of under the hood. This is how it actually fits together, and this is a key thing to understand. S1 Mini isn't trying to be a chatbot. It's one stage in a pipeline. Your audio goes into a speech to text engine like Whisper, or there are heaps of them, that spits out the raw, messy transcript. And then S1 Mini steps in as the cleanup layer before the text ever reaches your screen. Under the hood, it's built on, as I said, Quen 3.6 billion model, but you don't drive it with clever prompts. You drive it with a single control line that sets three things only: how formal you want it, whether it should use bullet points or a plain paragraph, and whether it's a general note or an email. And I will show you all of those. That's it. Three switches, one job, done fast. And this diagram sort of is trying to explain how this thing is flowing from end to end. And by the way, a lot of people ask that which model they can run on their CPU with a decent sort of, I would say, performance. This is the model, Quen 3.6 billion, a really, really good model. Go check it out. Still even very much valid today. And I have already covered it on the channel. So just go to homepage and search with that Quen 3.6 billion and should be able to find easily. Meanwhile, the model is ready and being served. Let me show you the VRAM consumption. So you see, just touch over 1.4 gig of VRAM easily fits onto your CPU. Let me take you here and let me run this. And you can see that this is what it looks like. Let me scroll down a little. So this is where your raw automatic speech recognition transcript goes. You can style it formal, semi-formal, and various other things. You can also give it a structure, list or prose, which I mentioned earlier. And this is a context, general or in email. And then you just press on clean transcript and it cleans it. Let me show you a few examples. So I have just given it this one sentence for starters. I'm testing if the model can handle this filler or stutters a mid-sentence self-correction, and you can see there is a spoken number formatting all in one pass. So let me click on clean transcript, and this is the response. As you can see, very quick. It has done the self-correction Tuesday to Wednesday, which is good. The number 10:30 and Q4 But there is also a mistake. It left in a stray the before, and which shouldn't be there. And it also kept ya, comma, so that semi-formal usually smooths. So a small miss on the stutter cleanup. Otherwise, I think it is quite good, not bad at all. Let me now change the styling. So I have just changed it from to formal, and let me now click the transcript one. Let's wait for it. You see, very quick. And now it is bit formal, as you can see. Okay, let's do another one. In this test, same input as you can see here, and same, and we are going to flip the two axes that actually change layout: structure and context. So as I said earlier, structure is prose and list, context is general and email, right? So let me give you this input that's built to show off both. So first I'm going to go with formal, prose and general. Let's run this. Keep that in mind. There you go. So you see all the fillers are gone, stutters fixed, QA capitalized, and it's one clean paragraph. Remember this shape because we are about to feed the exact same word through its list and email, and watch the layout change. So list has been changed. Let me run this. So you can see that model didn't just bullet point everything, it found the three innumerable items and listed only those, keeping the greeting and sign off as normal sentences. Now let me switch this context to maybe email, and I will keep this formal structure as prose because that is an email, and then let's see what happens. This should reshape into greeting, body and sign off blocks. There you go, greeting, body and sign off blocks. How good is that? Really impressive. So just want to see what model does when most of the words are like filler words. In this one, styling is casual. Yeah, so it has kept this one, but it has shrunk it because it's a casual one. Let's see if it changes something informal. Yep, filler is gone, only the proper words are there. So not bad, I would say. What happens if I just say it? I'm just trying to break the model. Yep, nothing. What about email? Yep, so it just keeps it like that. There's no body, there's no greeting, nothing else. And finally, let's do a very hard test where I am stacking everything at once, multiple self corrections, a correction that reverses a number, filler mid number, structures, currency, date, time, and email all in one breath. So let's run this. And I believe it has done a pretty good job, as you can see here in this clean transcript. All self corrections, four of them landed correctly. 2500 not 1500, June 13th not the 3rd, and even 515 choice not 430. Right email. The only slip is, I would say, is 5:15 p.m. where it dropped the colon. So nearly a perfect pass on a very brutal input. zero point 0.6 billion model, remember that. And that is where it has done a pretty good job, as you can see, for mind changing, normalizing currency, date, time, and worked pretty well. And most of time, the run was flawless. That's it. Let me know what do you think about this model, if you would be using it in your audio pipeline or not. Thank you for all the support.